What if I told you one tool could help you diagnose the problem before you step into a repair shop and potentially save hundreds of dollars? Today, I'm reviewing the Launch OBD2 Scanner CRP123X V3.0 Elite, a powerful diagnostic tool with 2026 lifetime free Wi-Fi updates, advanced reset functions, and support for modern vehicles most scanners can't even touch. Stick around, because this might be the smartest investment a car owner can make. Product features. The Launch CRP123X V3.0 Elite isn't just a basic code reader, it's a multi-system diagnostic scanner. It works on OBD2 vehicles from 1996 all the way up to 2026, covering over 90 vehicle brands, including GM, Ford, Toyota, BMW, Volvo, and more. What really stands out is the newly added 2026 reset functions, including oil reset, SAS steering angle sensor reset, throttle adaptation, brake reset, BMS battery management system, DPF regeneration, ABS service. This scanner also supports advanced protocols like CAN-FD and DOIP, making it compatible with newer GM, Chrysler, BMW, Volvo, Land Rover, and Jaguar vehicles. Plus, FCA AutoAuth lets you diagnose 2018 plus FCA vehicles with security gateways. You get live data monitoring for things like engine RPM, coolant temperature, oil pressure, and transmission temperature displayed in graphs that make problems easy to spot. With AutoVIN, the tool instantly identifies your car without manual input, and you can generate health reports you can save or email. Pros and cons. Pros: lifetime free Wi-Fi updates, no hidden fees. Works on 90-plus vehicle brands. Advanced reset functions usually found on expensive shop tools. Fast Android 8.1 system with a clear 5-inch touchscreen. Accurate diagnostics for ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine systems. Cons: CAN-FD and DOIP require an extra cable. Some expansion tools like TPMS or battery testing cost extra. Might be overkill if you only want to read basic engine codes. Overall review. Overall, the Launch CRP123X V3.0 Elite is an excellent choice for DIY mechanics, serious car owners, and small repair shops. It bridges the gap between cheap scanners and expensive professional tools, giving you real diagnostic power without dealership prices. If you want to understand your car, avoid unnecessary repairs, and take control of your money, this scanner is absolutely worth it. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart auto repair tips, and check the link in the description to see the latest price on the Launch CRP123X V3.0 Elite. Thanks for watching. Drive smart and stay empowered.